Welcome to Week 4, Neurodevelopment and Brain-Based Learning. In this lecture, we examine how brain maturation unfolds across the lifespan, how executive functions support self-regulation, and how to distinguish evidence from myth in educational claims about the brain. Our goal is to connect developmental science to instructional practice with precision, caution, and academic rigor. Brain maturation is not a single event, but a dynamic process shaped by genetics, experience, and context. In early childhood, the brain undergoes rapid synaptic proliferation, followed by pruning that strengthens frequently used neural networks. Myelination continues into adolescence and adulthood, improving the speed and efficiency of neural communication. This means development is both universal and individualized. Learners mature at different rates, and educational environments can either support or constrain that growth. Executive function refers to the cognitive processes that enable goal-directed behavior. These include working memory, inhibitory control, and cognitive flexibility. Together, they support planning, attention regulation, problem-solving, and emotional self-management. In classrooms, executive function is not separate from learning. It is a foundation for learning. Students who can hold information in mind, resist distraction, and shift strategies when needed are better prepared to engage in complex academic tasks. However, it is essential to evaluate popular brain-based claims critically. Not every appealing idea is supported by neuroscience. For example, the notion that students are strictly left-brained or right-brained lacks scientific support. Likewise, learning styles are often overstated as a basis for instruction. Evidence does not show that matching teaching to a preferred sensory modality reliably improves outcomes. Instead, effective instruction is grounded in principles such as retrieval practice, spacing, feedback, and meaningful engagement. A rigorous approach to neurodevelopment recognizes that the brain is plastic, but not infinitely so. Plasticity means that experience shapes neural pathways across time. Yet, development is influenced by stress, nutrition, sleep, relationships, and opportunity. In this sense, education is not merely the delivery of content, it is participation in a developmental system. Schools, families, and communities all contribute to the conditions under which cognition matures. As future educators and scholars, our responsibility is to translate neuroscience responsibly. We must ask, what is the evidence? What is the developmental mechanism? What are the instructional implications? When we do so, we move beyond slogans and toward practices that truly support human development and cognition.